Liberty. Here we have everything going. Boats. We're on a ferry. On a ferry, can we go? So we get ready to go see the Statue of Liberty. Let's see it over there. Going closer to it. We are at New York. There it is. New York, New York City. Look at this. Look at this. New York City. Or outside of it. There's the Statue of Liberty. There she stands. She hollers out. And I raise the fist in the sky. We're gonna go up a little more. So here we go. We're gonna go up. As we're gonna get ready for the Statue of Liberty, we're gonna get John. More New York. Okay. Alright guys, we'll see you in a bit.